What's up guys, Fix Alex here, and today I'm gonna show you how to remove airbag on this 2020 Hyundai Palisade. First step is to remove your negative terminal for safety reasons. And then the tools that we guys gonna use is Allen key. Alright, turn your steering wheel to the side. On the side you're gonna see small hole and you're gonna see small pin over there. Press that pin. 1 second. As you can see, the bottom side is come out. Now behind the steering over here you're gonna see another hole. You need to stick your Allen key just like that and press it up. Now turn to the other side. It's gonna be another hole. I hope you can see it. Same thing, push it to the up just like that. So now you need to disconnect your airbag connectors. If your airbag blown like mine, it's gonna be melted, as you can see. But if it's not blown, gently press up those two yellow hooks at the same time and you're gonna be able to remove your connector. And that's it guys. To install it, just install back and press it. Thank you guys for watching. Join to my channel, comment what else should I record next about this car. Thank you, bye.